Hey guys, this is Liz back with Mom's Machines, and as you remember in the last video, I was using a golf ball to make my robot knot give me the close the lid error as well as change Frederick's bin. And then of course customer service had sent me the new lid, which is the light ring assembly in the bin, and I replaced the lid. Actually, I replaced it and had to replace it again because I had put it in wrong. And as you saw from the last video, the little click thing that closes it was not right. So in this video, I'm going to show you what we did to resolve it. So let's get going.
Here we go.
So then I took the robot over to my brother's house, and we were thinking it was the spring, some kind of spring was missing, and that is exactly what we did. We realized the old robot lid had two springs in the little thing that clasps the lid shut when it closes. So we took the little piece off. I don't know if you remember my last video, the little piece was off of the lid, and we got the two springs off the old robot, and then we put the springs into the new robot. So it was a little bit difficult because they are very teeny tiny springs. But they do have a little nub that they go on. It was a little tedious, but we got the job done. Actually, my brother did it, and I supervised.
Somehow we have to get this, we have to get these on those detents, see? Those little detents for the springs, and then snap this in, so.
What do you mean detents? Like an indentation?
Here, take a close-up view. They're putting the detent right in the square.
Right there.
See that little thing?
But anyway, we got those springs in, and then we popped the cap back on. So that was a little bit of a challenge to get the cap back on because we had to make sure the springs stayed in.
It's got to face that way, see? So it's like that. And you can see the little radius, right? See that hook?
Oh, it's curved out.
That's got a hook onto that.
Yeah.
So with this facing like that, I guess it's going to go in like that. But those have to, we have to get those springs.
And then of course we put the lid back in, and we actually did a little extra thing. We put a little rubber band into that little cap, which I'll show in the next video. But after we took the springs out of the old robot lid, I actually found one of the springs that was in the bag, which you see here, and you see how teeny tiny it is. And let me show you it running. Okay, it's cleaning really well. I'm going to still take it home because I can't see the error, but okay. Going to test it. It's got the little rubber band in there too. Go test it at home. Okay, it's running. We'll let it run and see if it did. I had it back in February, so we'll see how it does. No error code, no close the lid or anything like that. Here is the rubber band that I did, or actually my brother did it. He did this to his. It just seems to hold it tightly. It's basically a little tiny rubber band on there.